Morning to everyone. Today we are going to do lesson number 61 of class 7th GK. Here, lesson number 61, the name of the lesson is your favorite sports. So here we are going to discuss about the different kind of sports. Okay. So here are some sports and games in action. Identify them using the clue box. So here at the down of this lesson a clue box is given. From there we have to identify. That means a picture is given. Looking those pictures we have to identify which game it is. Okay. So first game, what is that game name is? That picture indicates that it is a ice skating. Okay, what is that? The same way we are going to do in the ice skating, isn't it? So imagine that it is a, that picture indicate that it is a game of ice skating. Next one is a boxing. Third one is saucer. Next fourth one is a basketball. Next one is fifth one is weightlifting. The students, you have to see the picture very carefully and identify the name of the game. Once you look the picture very carefully, automatically you will recognize that which game it is. Okay, so the fifth one is a weight lifting, sixth one is a gymnastic. Okay, then seventh one is judo, then track and field, where we are going to run, that is known as track and field. Next ninth one is rowing, ROWING. Then next last one of this one is wrestling. This everybody know, isn't it? So here the lesson number 61 is over. Here the some of the clue box is given. If you want to use that clue box, can use it. Next lesson number 62. Here sports and games. This lesson is related again to the sports and game. Related these people with the sports they have excellent in. That means the name of the personality, the famous personality which are very active, got some award and all, they are, their names is being given. Okay, the famous personalities and sports, their names are being given. You in, but what the answer in the answer part you have to do is the name, like PT Usha is there. So as we know the name PT Usha, we know that she is the best racer, isn't it? So in the same way we have to know. So here Anju George, that is Anju George is famous a sports player in long jump. Then Saina Nehwal, badminton. Then car racing, wrestling. Then fifth, golf. Sixth, tennis. Okay, so these are the games or sports which are played by the different peoples. Okay, the famous personality are playing these games. By the name we have to identify that which games they are playing. Clear? Next question we are having in the B part, that is find the answers. Here what we have to do is we have to find the answer. Which sports is played in a rink, that is skating. The place where baseball is played is called a diamond. That means wherever we people are playing the baseball, that place is known as diamond. Okay, and which sports is played in a ring, that is skating. Clear? Inside the skating, inside the ring we are playing to playing a skating game, sports games. Okay, now how many players make a water polo team, that is 7 player. Athletics involve dash, that is running, jumping and throwing. So here what is the athletics games involved, that is running, jumping and throwing. Then next one, a popular game similar to football, that is rugby, that is RUGBY. Pluto platter is known is another name for Fabis, that is FRISBE. Clear? Next C part of the lesson, that is answer this. The 2016 Summer Olympic is popularly known as dash, that is called as Rio Olympic, RIO, Rio Olympic 2016. Rio Olympic 2016 is the name of the Summer Olympic in 2016. Okay. Then next one is the mascot side is named after what? River Clade that runs through the Glasgow. Glasgow. Next one, which sports was introduced after a gap of 12 years in 2014 Commonwealth game, that is judo. So here the lesson number 62 is over. So here the pictures of the famous personality is being given. Okay. Next, lesson number 63, a cup for you. So whatever the trophies we people are getting in the games and sports, that is known as cup, isn't it? Trophies. So here we have to see the name, national cups and trophies for the games and sports we have to know. So H Khan, that is for the hockey, isn't it? So here the names of the trophies is being given. We have to identify there for which sports or game this trophies is being given. So first will be hockey, second one will be for weightlifting, third one will be for football, fourth one will be for hockey, fifth one for football, sixth cricket, seventh polo, eighth cricket, then ninth women's table tennis, then 10th women's hockey. Okay, so these are the names is being given. Next, women's hockey for the 10th, 11th cricket, 12th football, 13th national football champion. Okay, what is that? National football champion. Then last trophy is given for the rowing, the ROWING. Then the B part of this will be international cups and trophies. So for first one is for cricket, second one is for lawn tennis, third is for horse racing, fourth for golf, fifth for rowing, sixth for cricket, seventh for world table tennis, eighth for women's world badminton, sixth for cricket and ninth for cricket, and last 10th one is for again lawn tennis. So these are the name of the trophies in which field being given is the written answer. Next, international sports and event. So here, in which year did Commonwealth Games acquire their current name, that is 1954. Second, what is the mascot of 2018 Commonwealth game called, that is Borbi, BORBI. The host country for 2020 Olympic game is Tokyo, Japan. Okay. Next, which is cancelled. Which of the following is not an international sporting event, that is Ranji Trophy match. This is not an international sports event. Okay, this trophy is. What was India's total medal tally in Commonwealth Game 2018, that is 66. Dash won gold at the women's single of BWF World Championship in 2019, that is PV Sindhu. Which of the following is not part of the Grand Slam tournament, that is UK Open? Next, 2019 ICC Cricket World Cup hosted by England was won by England itself. From 1930 to 1950, the CWG were known as British Empire Game. CWG were known as British Empire Game. Then 2018 Asian Game were held in Indonesia. Okay, the name of the place is Indonesia. Then which city will host the Commonwealth Game to be held in 2022, that is held in England? So for today, thank you everyone. This is the last lesson we are dealing with. Now the syllabus is completed. So this is the last lesson of the GK book. So for today, thank you everyone.